Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video we will talk about AirDrop issue in iPhone and iPad. AirDrop is not receiving or sending files and many more. So without wasting any time, let's get started to fix the AirDrop issue on iPhone and iPad. The first thing that we have to make sure that Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi is turned on. Then what we have to do, set everyone for AirDrop. To check that, first we have to go to settings, then tap general. Here we have to tap on AirDrop and we have to make sure that everyone is selected. Then go back to settings and enable airplane mode. Now lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes, then unlock your iPhone, go back to setting and disable airplane mode. Number 3, go back to settings, tap on general and tap VPN device management and disconnect VPN. Number 4, check restrictions. To check that, first we have to go to settings. Here we have to tap on screen time and tap content and privacy restrictions. Here we have to tap on allowed app. Here find and enable AirDrop if it's disabled. Number 5, force close all the app that are running in the background and also force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button. Quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Finally, we go for settings, general, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we are going to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.